Are you over 40 and wondering how to stay fit, strong, and energetic for years to come? Your body changes as you age, but with the right exercises, you can keep yourself healthy, active, and pain-free well into your later years. In this guide, we'll dive deep into the 7 essential types of exercise you need after 40, not just what they are, but why they matter and the health benefits they bring. Let's start with strength training, a cornerstone of any fitness regimen, especially as you get older. After 40, your body undergoes a natural process called sarcopenia, where muscle mass begins to decline. Without intervention, this can lead to weakness, loss of mobility, and a slower metabolism, which in turn makes it harder to maintain a healthy weight. Strength training counters this by not only preserving muscle, but also building new muscle tissue. Exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and weightlifting target key muscle groups, helping you maintain strength and stability. But the benefits go beyond just muscle. Strength training increases bone density, which is critical for preventing osteoporosis, a condition that makes bones fragile and prone to fractures. Stronger bones mean fewer injuries and greater resilience in everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, or lifting groceries. It also improves joint health by strengthening the muscles that support your joints, reducing wear and tear, and alleviating conditions like arthritis. On top of that, strength training enhances insulin sensitivity, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Another crucial focus for those over 40 is core strengthening, which often gets overlooked. The core isn't just your abs. It includes your lower back, pelvic muscles, and obliques. This group of muscles acts as the foundation for nearly every movement you make, from bending to pick something up to maintaining good posture while sitting or standing. A strong core supports the spine, reducing the risk of back pain, a common issue as you age. Exercises like planks, bridges, and bird dogs not only strengthen your core but also improve balance, coordination, and stability. Good core strength also enhances athletic performance, whether you're jogging, playing tennis, or just chasing after your kids. It's essential for preventing injuries because it stabilizes your body during movement. Even more, a well-trained core contributes to better breathing and digestion by supporting the diaphragm and abdominal muscles. Regular core exercises can also help alleviate incontinence, a problem many people don't talk about, but that becomes more common with age. Cardiovascular exercise is another non-negotiable. After 40, your heart and lungs benefit immensely from activities like brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or jogging. These exercises strengthen your cardiovascular system, making your heart more efficient at pumping blood and delivering oxygen throughout your body. As a result, cardio reduces your risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke, conditions that become more prevalent with age. Regular cardio also boosts your mood and mental health by releasing endorphins, which combat stress, anxiety, and depression. It improves lung capacity, helping you breathe more easily and feel more energetic throughout the day. Plus, cardio helps you maintain a healthy weight by burning calories and increasing your metabolism. What's more, it improves circulation, which is vital for brain health and may reduce the risk of cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. Even just 30 minutes of moderate cardio a few times a week can transform your physical and mental health. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. As you age, your body also needs flexibility and mobility work to counteract the stiffness and reduced range of motion that come with years of wear and tear. Flexibility-focused practices like yoga and Pilates help lengthen tight muscles and release tension, while mobility exercises target joint movement to ensure you can move freely and comfortably. For instance, hamstring stretches alleviate tightness in the back of your legs, while hip flexor stretches counteract the effects of prolonged sitting, which can cause lower back pain and poor posture. Incorporating these exercises into your routine doesn't just make you more limber, it also reduces the risk of injuries by improving your body's alignment and mechanics. A flexible, mobile body experiences less strain during physical activities, allowing you to move with ease and confidence. Stretching can also boost circulation to muscles, aiding in faster recovery after workouts. Even simple habits like foam rolling or doing 10 to 15 minutes of stretching daily can make a big difference. Balance training is equally important, especially after 40, when the risk of falls and related injuries begins to rise. Balance exercises strengthen stabilizing muscles, particularly around your ankles, knees, and hips, while also improving your body's coordination. Activities like standing on one leg, heel-to-toe walking, or even practicing Tai Chi can significantly enhance your stability and confidence in daily movements. Good balance not only prevents falls, but also improves your overall posture, reducing strain on your back and neck. It can also alleviate chronic pain by ensuring that your muscles are working in harmony. Balance exercises are especially important if you're recovering from an injury, as they help rebuild coordination and strengthen weakened areas. If you're short on time but want maximum results, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a game changer. This form of exercise alternates between bursts of intense effort like sprinting, cycling, or doing burpees and periods of rest or low-intensity activity. HIIT is incredibly efficient, allowing you to achieve the benefits of a longer workout in just 20 to 30 minutes. The health benefits of HIIT are astounding. It improves cardiovascular fitness, helping your heart pump blood more effectively and lowering your resting heart rate. It also burns a significant amount of calories in a short time, making it ideal for weight management. But the real magic happens after the workout. HIIT increases your metabolic rate, meaning you'll continue to burn calories even after you've finished exercising. Additionally, it boosts insulin sensitivity and helps reduce abdominal fat, which is particularly important after 40, when fat tends to accumulate around the midsection. Finally, we can't overlook functional movements, which are exercises designed to mimic the motions you perform in daily life. These include lifting, bending, pushing, pulling, and twisting. Functional training isn't just about looking fit, it's about being able to handle real-world tasks with ease. For example, kettlebell swings improve your hip mobility and core strength, making it easier to lift heavy objects safely. Farmers' carries simulate carrying groceries, building grip strength and endurance. Functional exercises also help improve coordination and reduce the risk of injury by training your body to move efficiently. They build strength in the muscles you use most frequently, ensuring you can perform everyday activities without strain or discomfort. Over time, functional training enhances your quality of life, enabling you to maintain your independence and enjoy your favorite activities well into your later years. So, there you have it, folks. The 7 exercises you need after 40 to stay strong, flexible, and injury-free. Remember, it's not about pushing yourself to extremes, but about creating a routine that supports your health and longevity. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who want to thrive after 40. And don't forget, your health is your greatest investment. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.